I wanted to go out about on the internet and show you some information about domain authority. We're going to take a look at Open Site Explorer, the Moz Toolbar, and Keyword Explorer. You can find the Moz Toolbar within Google extensions. As you can see, here's my desktop, and here's Google. And I'm going to go in here to More Tools, to Extensions. What you do is you can go here to get more extensions as soon as it opens, and type in here Moz Toolbar. Moz Toolbar. And here it is. There are some other choices as well. Moz Rank, SERP Works, Moz Bar. I've already added it, that's why it says added. But you would just click to add to Chrome. But I already have it added, so I will go back to extensions. And I am going to activate it. Everything is in alphabetical order, and I just activated my Moz toolbar, and here it is right here in the top right. So what I'm going to do here is go to a website. When we get to that website, we can, and here it is, we can click on the Moz toolbar. It opens up here, and you'll see a bunch of different tools. So we will go to Open Site Explorer. And I had already searched for this, but here you'll see authority. Domain authority is 17. Page authority is 30, which for the kind of website this is pretty decent. And you'll see a spam score. Google will sometimes flag some contents of a page, depending if it's a duplicate, depending if it has too many keywords. You also have some page link metrics. I have 117 total links, and then you can see how many inbound links I have. And these are backlinks. There are 37 inbound links, and it will list them for you. And then there are some other things that you can go to. The top pages, linking domains, spam analysis, compare link metrics. But I'm going to add another website. I've been and see if it will give me Sacred Mountain Ceremonies.com. Ceremonies.com. And I'm going to search for that. And I have the domain authority for this page. This page, domain authority is 14. It's a pretty new website. It's only been up, I would say, a month maybe. The page authority is 28. There are 93 total links, 27 inbound links. And here is a spam score. There's a spam score here from Google, and it says site markup is abnormally small, low number of internal links, low number of pages found. It's a really small website. It's just a wedding officiant website. So I can tweak this and add more information to the website so that we get some better scores on this. And let's go back to the Moz toolbar. We don't want to go to Moz Pro. I wanted to go to Keyword Explorer. So let me just go back to this website and click on Keyword Explorer. And we'll wait till it loads. And we will put in a URL, angelfeatherinc.com, and see what kind of information it gives us. And it says the ranking keywords, there are 42 ranking keywords, again, page authority, and domain authority, and it says the top ranking keywords with the monthly volume. And for this website, the keyword I'm really interested in was wholesale massage products. There are just 0 to 10 monthly hits for that, or massage products wholesale, or aesthetic supplies. 11 to 50 hits a month. That's pretty decent for a two-person operation. So you do get some nice information regarding your keywords from the Keyword Explorer. And what's really nice is volume ranges show you with 95% or more accuracy how often a term or phrase is searched for in Google each month. This is really valuable right here, so that you will know angel feather. There must be a lot of searches for angels, but that's not what this is about. And there's some other information, but I'm going to put another website in here. And I'm going to try and see what happens with Sacred Mountain Ceremonies.com, which is a wedding officiant website. See what this does. Ranking keywords, nothing. There were no results. Interesting. Let's try another one. And you can also go over here and get keyword lists. Let's see if we happen to get keyword lists. Just got to go back here. Sacred Mountain Ceremonies, keyword, top positions 1 to 3, no keywords. Interesting. Let me go to another website. Beloved Community Pet Ministry.com. Beloved Community Pet Ministry.com. Again, keywords. This one does have keywords, top ranking keywords. So we have pet funeral prayers, prayer for animals that have died, prayers for dead pets, prayer for pets that have died. So there are some hits with these top ranking keywords. Let me go here to another website. And we will go to Unity of Southwestern PA.org. Let's just look at another website. And this is not picking up the keywords for this website, but that just means the keywords in this website is not clear, because if I go to angelfeatherinc.com, the keywords are clear here. Angel Feather, spelled it wrong. Angelfeatherinc.com. And you'll see that these keywords, the ranking keywords are 42. The page authority and domain authority is right there. And these keywords are here. So that means that this website, the keywords are clear, and the other websites, they were not clear, which means there is some work to be done. But what's really nice is you got a chance to see Open Site Explorer. You learned how to add the Moz Toolbar to your Google Chrome, and also some information about Keyword Explorer.